is known as Giving Tuesday, a day to focus on people who don't have the money for holiday shopping. But before you give, the Better Business Bureau tonight has a caution. Consumer reporter John Matarese is here with details. John?
Well, Clyde, after we spent a collective $3 billion over the holiday weekend, today is a day for giving back a little bit. You know, first came Black Friday, then Cyber Monday, and now it's Giving Tuesday, when charities ask us to help those in need this holiday season. Now, last year, charities raised more than $10 million, mostly online, on Giving Tuesday. But before you donate, the Better Business Bureau has a caution. The BBB says beware of sound-alike charities that sound like the real group but are not. Also, be suspicious of high-pressure appeals for your money right now. Don't give it immediately. Also, donate with a check, not cash, and make sure they have a federal tax-exempt number to prove that they are a real charity. If you have any questions about a group that asks you for money during the holiday season, ask for a phone number. Tell them you will get back to them. Then Google the charity and check their Better Business Bureau report. That way you stay safe and you don't waste your money.